What I've learned when camping, especially tent camping, is that it's a lot easier when you take less. You don't have as much stuff weighing you down. And this right here is going to fit right in with that. This is a mini camping picnic table sent to me free of charge for this review. The highest height that this is going to go is going to be 27.5 inches. If you take the legs out, you're going to be able to reduce it down to 19 inches along with 10 inches. The way you're going to do that is going to be very simple. All you're going to do is remove the legs, and then you can put the leg with the rubber end back on the bottom, and there you go. It's going to be reduced down if you want it smaller. When you're done using your camping table, it's going to be very easy to take apart as well, and everything is going to all be stored within the table, so you're not going to have legs just laying around getting lost when you're not using it. So pull the legs off, and they're going to have their own designated area right on the bottom of the table. Very, very simple. As you see here, you're going to have your table all taken apart and folded up in just seconds. So just like that, they're all nice and neat in their own little area. Then we have these little levers right here. Just pop those open, and you're going to be able to fold the legs down. Just be sure not to pinch your fingers when you are putting these brackets down, and then replace the little levers, and there you have it. You're going to be able to store this in your camper, your camping totes, your vehicle. Very, very easy. So if you camp, especially tent camp, you're ready to reduce the amount of camping items that you take, this right here is something that should be on your next camping list.